Welcome to my store.
Okay, and then this is the last video because we're almost done. It's coming up on 2 o'clock. I'm really sleepy. I want to go home. Having troubles there, son? Why don't you dump the other fish out of the net into the tank and use the net to catch the fish? Aaron, dump the fish in. Now take the net, set it right beside him. No, set it right beside him. Yeah. Trying to pick up little fish with your fingernails, unless you got fingernails, that's no point. And the cherry barbs.
They school together.
The Daniels? Oh yeah. They're very pretty together.
Don't must be hanging.
Yeah, they're up there. Very pretty. And these are the purple paradise fish. Very pretty. They're going to be gorgeous as of tomorrow. They'll be pretty much reddish purple. And did you spill water all over the floor?
Why do you bother?
I was hoping against hope that you'd say, no, Father, that was just a sound effect that I learned how to make with high tech and everything. So that's it? That's it. We're all in, all done. Let's close up the lights and get out of here.